This is a little bit of a spin-off on one of my recent videos, okay? Which is Do It Now, right? Well, this is the Take Action video, which is pretty much the same thing, okay? And I'm gonna say it again. The reason why people aren't successful is because they don't do it right now. They don't take action. Let me tell you something right now. When you take action, right? When you put certain things into play, right? You are actually opening up doors of opportunity for yourself, okay? So let's say you've been working on getting wedding gigs. Well, obviously that means you would have to practice certain songs, right? Okay? Which would mean you're taking action, wouldn't it? Right? Okay. So it means taking action, okay? So right there, when wedding gigs come along, you're prepared, right? Because you took action, okay? Don't think that opportunity isn't going to come along, because it will. And you got to actively be looking. That's another thing, is, start advertising yourself, take action. So if you want to be a wedding drummer, a touring drummer, I mean, I've said this in other videos, if you want to be, it doesn't even need to be drums or music, like I've said before. But right here, take action, and you know what? Do it right now, right? Take action now, not later, now. And you know what? Oh, here we go. A little gay retarded exclamation mark. You know the reason why people don't take action now? I'm gonna write it in big honking letters. Put dots in the middle because I feel like it. There it is. That is why people don't take action, because of F-E-A-R, fear. You know what that is? That stands for false evidence or expectations, whichever you like. False evidence appearing real, or false expectations appearing real. Well, let me tell you something. That is the reason why people do not take action. I'm a teacher. One of the things in the drummer's world, I'm a teacher, okay? And you know what? The reason why students don't practice, because they've already, in their minds, made it up in their minds that they can't do it, or it seems like it's work, and they already made up their mind that they don't want to do it. But they're kidding themselves, because they're thinking, oh, I might get to it, or I might this and this, and I can work on it a little bit, which really means barely at all. So the student that takes action right away is a whole different animal, okay? So and I tell a lot of my students, you could read books, listen to podcasts, and I mean, that's just procrastinating, to be honest. I mean, if when I read books, or I listen to podcasts, I take notes and I take action. That's what I do. I take notes and then I put it into play. I take action, because right here, take action now, right? And the only reason you won't, okay? And there's a lot of you that won't. Right? Let's be honest. There's a lot of you there that's going, yeah. Because you're lazy. You're lazy and you're full of fear. That's it. That's the only reason, okay? I can't make this any plainer, but right there, because you're afraid. Well, what are you going to be afraid of? What people are going to say? When you die, you're dying with nobody else. So who cares? You can't bring anybody with you, okay? You're not dying. In other words, when you actually you take a last breath, you're not dying with somebody, right? They're not dying the same time as you are. You're not taking anybody with you. You might have family around and all that, but you're not taking anybody with you. So, who cares? The people that don't take action now, and they don't want you to take action. Well, were you afraid of what they're going to say? I mean, really? You're afraid of them? I pity them. Okay, I pity the people that like what was it, Booker T? I pity the fool. But here it is. Take action now, no matter what anybody says. Okay, so do that, and I can't wait to see the results. Talk to you next time.